the things that we see and how, like for example writing. We have to see and write everything up.
This service is not bound to any particular age or gender or status or specific disease or disorder.
So as you can see, occupational therapy services are required in oncology for children with disabilities, in amputation cases, even in old age. So it is not age specific also.
Reading or communicating in the society. So problems like visual motor problems or
do things so that there will be a coordination with brain and other parts of the body.
So like this, they are sitting, standing, they are sitting on the ball, they are bouncing, they are counting. So they are doing one mental task also, they are doing physical task also. So it will improve their mind-body interaction.
This institute I have come so many times. When I was the MP from 2009 to 20, I had come 3 to 4 times to this institute, and so many difficulties were there at that time also. When I came to know the staffs are not getting proper salary from the government, it is run by the Government of India Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry. At that time, I had gone to the then Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Mukul Vasnik. I had requested to give the salary to the staffs, and 6 crores of rupees were released at that time. On the other hand, I had requested to the Minister of Central Government to make at least 100-bedded hospital here. And thereafter, that hospital came to light. When I became the MP for second time, I had told our director that I shall visit the institute and what are the problems I want to know, so that I can put forth the problems before the central government, before the concerned Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Virendra Kumar, so that it can be sorted out to some extent. It has been requested by our director of the construction of one auditorium by the Odisha Mining Corporation. It has been requested to the Honorable Chief Minister Mohan Maiji. On the other hand, one administrative building should be constructed with the help of the central government. It has been initiated by the director. And relating to other problems like our assistant professors or associate professors, they are facing a lot of problems. When the other states, they are not facing such type of problems, why shall we face such type of problems? Actually, those who are in those professions, they are little hesitant to intervene in a political way. But we political people are there. We can take the issue and we can put forth the problem before the central government. We can discuss with the concerned ministers personally, so that I hope some problems will be sorted out and some constructive work will be done in this institute. Actually, this institute is a pride for us. So many patients, they are coming from West Bengal, they are coming from Bihar, and from other states. They are recovered from here. And so many disabled persons, they are getting benefit out of this institute. So it is our moral responsibility. It is our duty to look after this institute. So personally, being the MP, I am assuring you that I shall take the present problems as my problem, and I shall put forth the problems before the government, with the central government as well as state government. In which way state government can help those students? What Senapati Madam was telling, that those are passing as a occupational therapist from this institute, they are not getting jobs where in other states, in which manner they are getting it with a good salary, but in Odisha it is not so. So I shall discuss with the health minister as well as the chief minister to open some colleges, occupational therapy and physiotherapy, so that our people who will pass from this institute, they will get the lucrative jobs. So in this context, again, I thank to HOD occupational therapy and particularly our director Bibhu Mohanty. They have invited me and they gave me an opportunity to grace the occasion and to tell something to you. On the other hand, more କିଛି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କିମ୍ବା ଅନ୍ୟ ଅଞ୍ଚଳରୁ ଅକୁପେସନାଲ ଥେରାପିରେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଠି ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ କିଛି ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଯେ ଏଠି ଡାକ୍ତରମାନଙ୍କର ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଡାକ୍ତରୀ ଶିକ୍ଷା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଅକୁପେସନାଲ ଥେରାପିରେ ସେମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଠିକଣା ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟ ସେବା ଯୋଗାଇ ଦେବା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଭଲ ବ୍ୟବହାର ଜରିଆରେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଆରୋଗ୍ୟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଚେଷ୍ଟାରେ ଥାଆନ୍ତି। ଏବଂ ଏହି ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ମୁଁ ଯେତିକି ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଜାଣିଛି ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଇଏ ଏକ ଖ୍ୟାତି ସମ୍ପନ୍ନ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ଏବଂ ଏଠି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ଉଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଡାକ୍ତରୀ ବିଦ୍ୟାରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଛାତ୍ର ଭାବରେ ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସେତିକି ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସେତିକି ସଂସ୍କୃତି ରହିଛି, ପରମ୍ପରା ରହିଛି। ଅନ୍ତତଃ ରୋଗୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଠିକଣା ଭାବରେ ସେବା ଯୋଗାଇ ଦେବା ଏବଂ ଯାହା ଫଳରେ ଆଜି ସମଗ୍ର ଭାରତ ବର୍ଷରେ ଇଏ ଏକ ନାମକରା ଖ୍ୟାତି ସମ୍ପନ୍ନ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନରେ ପରିଣତ ହେଇଛି। ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଇ ମୋର
Thank you so much, sir.